After a lot of hard work and dedication, you did it. You are finally a project manager. Congratulations. I'm going to help you get rid of your jitters or any stress that you have on your first day as a project manager by giving you some tips on what to do. Now, if you really want to master projects, at the end of this video, I'm going to share with you a cheat sheet on why projects fail and what you can do to avoid them. Stay tuned for that. Hi, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Adriana Girdler. I'm a business productivity specialist and a certified project manager. If you want to excel in your career, subscribe to my channel, and every Wednesday you're going to get a brand new video. Becoming a project manager is a great step in your career. Your first day on the job, however, can be a little bit stressful. In this video, I'm going to share with you what are some key things that you can do on your first day of the job as a project manager. Get to know the key players. It is really important on your first day to find out who the supervisor is, stakeholders, sponsors, what projects you're going to be working on, who are your team members. Get to know them. Be casual, chatty. Really go out there and introduce yourself. I have a great video on introducing yourself on the first day of the job. This will help you tremendously and people getting to know you as a project manager. Create an opportunity for team bonding. Now, on your first day, you may have already been given your team and projects to work on. So you're probably going to be reaching out to those team members. You know what? There's a few things you can do to really make the bonding between everyone smooth and easy, and what a great way to know people. If it's really simple, you can take them out for lunch and then you guys can just get to know each other. Or if you're in a meeting, you can formalize it by having some team bonding activities. Check out my videos on some team bonding activity ideas. There's some cool, fun things you can do to really start bringing the team together. You, now as the leader, can lead. Build your credibility. From day one, you want to show your team that you are reliable and they can count on you. This is really important. Communication is going to be key for this. But more importantly, you want to practice what you preach and follow through. So for example, if you say, "Hi everybody, I'm your manager. For the next couple of weeks, I'm going to do some observation," do it. Don't just say it. Do it, and then ensure that you report back to them on those observations. You want to really close the loop on things. So show them that you're reliable. Remember, build up your credibility. Make your availability clear. All right, as a project manager, your team is constantly going to be coming to you, as they should, to help resolve issues and problems. That is your job. However, you also have a job too. You need time carved out so you can get your work done. Lots of paper that you have to ensure that everyone's on the same page with. So, that all being said, make sure you're really clear with your team on your available hours. It's just going to help everybody out, so people aren't interrupting you constantly and then you don't feel slightly resentful because you're not getting your work done. Now, what I do when I manage projects is I put this out, Power Hour, Magic in Progress. My team knows not to interrupt me. Now, when I do have availability, I put in Power Hour is over, come on in. You can make one of these yourself, or you can go to my store and you can purchase it yourself. Now, if you have a door, we also have door hangers too. Easy peasy for you to make it yourself or grab it on my store. It's up to you. Scope out the break room. I know this kind of seems really silly, like what do I mean scope up the break room? But you'll be amazed what you can get from sitting in a break room and listening to people and talking to people. You can find out a lot about what's going on in people's lives, but more importantly, what the culture is in the organization. If this is your first day and you're brand new to the company as well, you're going to learn a lot about the company culture, which is critical for you from a project management standpoint. And ask them, how are projects seen in the organization? Because not every company is a project positive company and have that focus. So scoping out the break room, talking to people, really going on the casual side, not so formal, just opens up people to share more stuff with you. Now, don't forget, don't gossip. This is not about gossiping. Check out my videos on bad politics and gossiping, not a good thing. But definitely hang out there and understand what the culture is so that you can know what you can do in order to make sure that your projects sing. Review your roles and responsibilities. Yeah, I know you're saying, Adriana, I already know what I'm supposed to do. I got hired, I know specifically how I'm going to go about doing it. But whoa, wait a minute. There's nothing wrong with getting a refresher or being really clear on what those roles and responsibilities are. If you got a job description, take a peek at it again and make sure that you're following suit with what's being said. But sometimes job descriptions are very high level and don't give you enough information. Check out my video on what project managers do to get even more information on the nuances that you don't think about when it comes to project management and that role. Now that you're going to have a great first day of the job as a project manager, it is time for you to grab this cheat sheet from the link below, really telling you why projects fail and how to avoid them. So if you're going to be a project manager, this is a must for you to download because it's going to give you some tips and tricks that are going to help you out. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with all the professionals that you know. Now, tell me how your first day on the job went. And if you have any other tips or tricks that you'd like to share with the viewers as well. Until then, have a great day. Bye-bye.